Hi, it's Miss Shannon with the San Antonio Public Library, and I have a friend that has a question for you. Have you ever seen an otter, an otter, an otter? Have you ever seen an otter at the zoo before? Why, yes, I've seen an otter, an otter, an otter. Why, yes, I've seen an otter at the zoo before. And I am that otter, that otter, that otter, and I am that otter, and my name is Bernard. Hi, Bernard. Hi, Miss Shannon. It's so lovely to be here today. And I kind of had to be here today. Why is that? Well, I got kicked out of the zoo for a few hours because I was snoring. Yes, I just can't help it. I lie on my back and all of a sudden bother all the other animals and I have to leave for a few hours, but it's okay because you know I'm famous, right? I do know you're famous because there's a book about me called Stop Snoring, Bernard, and we're gonna read it. You're gonna read it, right, Miss Shannon? Yes, I am. But before I read it, I have a question for you. Okay, there's a picture in the book where the otters are lying on their backs, like this? Yes. And they're holding hands. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Why is that? Well, we do it so we won't get lost from each other. You know, we won't drift apart. Plus, it's really nice. Oh, yeah, I recommend that you try it with somebody that you know, like your mom or dad or aunt or uncle or cousin, grandpa, friend, somebody you know. If you're on your back, you hold hands with them, you won't get lost and it feels so nice. I'm gonna try that. Please do. Can we read the book already? Yes. Here it is. Stop Snoring, Bernard. I'm so excited. Oh, here I am. And there's the giraffe that gets so mad at me when I snore. He sure does look mad. Yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Yes, I am. This is Stop Snoring, Bernard by Zachariah O'Hara, one of my favorite authors and illustrators. And Macmillan Publishing has given us permission to read this book. And I want to show you something that's really cool. Are you ready? Look! See the whole picture here. There's Bernard and there are 2 giraffes. You're right, 2 giraffes. Stop snoring, Bernard. And here's where Bernard lives, at the zoo. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. Look, here's that picture I was telling you about. They're holding each other's hands. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Giles had had enough. Snore somewhere else, Bernard, he said. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. Oh my, what are these? You're right, they're alligators. Stop snoring, Bernard. See him? He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. Hey, look, it's my friend, Cardigan the Cardinal. Looks like Bernard scared her right out. Stop snoring, Bernard. There's the giraffes. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. Can you guess whose feet these are? Let's turn the page and see if you guessed right. You're right, they're elephant feet. Stop snoring, Bernard. Silly. Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. Where do you think he is? The other otters missed Bernard, and they searched for him all through the night. Bernard, 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 Bernard. The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. "Excuse me," he said, "how did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," replied a bat. "We were out all night and now we are trying to sleep, so please don't snore here." Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged toward the zoo gate, but then he heard something. Do you see his tears? What do you think he heard? It was the other otters! "We couldn't sleep without you," said Grumpy Giles, "and I'm sorry I yelled. Please come back." Oh. And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. Bernard, that's a nice story. All the otters found you. Yeah, it is a nice story. I'm glad you read it. Me too. Oh, can we do that thing that you taught me earlier? Sure. Are you ready? Can you put your hands up high with me? I put my hands up high. I put my hands down low. I put them out to the side, and then I let them go. Let's try it again. Can you put your hands up high? Put my hands up high. I put my hands down low. I put them out to the side, and then I let them go. All right, good job. Goodbye, everybody. It's so nice to see you today. For more information, call 210-207-2500 or go to SAPL, SAPL.org. Goodbye.